Let's take a look at this IKEA Scented Candle. That's the name. That means freshness in Norwegian. Simple packaging. This costs around 229 rupees or $3 or so. It lasts up to 25 hours. Some interesting warnings. I think the first one says don't let the candle unattended. And the second one is not to use near hair or fur, I think. Third one is keep each of them at least 5 centimeters apart. Next one is not near curtains. Use in a closed room. Don't let the window open. Don't bend down to smell it. Don't put it near an open window. I think few need a bit of explanation. This has a sandalwood, cedar and vanilla. So let's see what we get. I like that it comes in a glass jar. You can reuse it once you're done with the candle. Looks amazing. Smells really good. All those ingredients mix well and give a really nice fragrance. Seems like vanilla is a bit prominent than the other two. Quite nice. Check it out.